The investing rules that built wealth for 25 years? They've completely changed. Because the era of global stability is fading, and a new multipolar world economy is rewriting how money grows.
You know, for the past 25 years or so, investors have all been playing by the same set of rules. It's been a pretty good run. But what if I told you those rules have fundamentally, completely changed? Today, we're diving into a massive shift in the global order and, more importantly, what it means for how you think about building wealth in the decades ahead. Okay, so let's just take a look back for a second. Take the Indian stock market, for example. In 1999, it was sitting at about 900. Fast forward to today, and it's hovering around 23,000. That is a staggering 25 times increase in just 25 years. I mean, this is exactly the kind of growth that people are banking their entire retirements on. But here's the thing we absolutely have to ask ourselves. Was that incredible growth just a law of nature, something that was bound to happen? Or was it the result of a very specific, very special global environment? An environment that, well, might just be gone. So just betting that the next 25 years are going to look exactly like the last 25? Man, that's a massive gamble. All right, here's how we're going to break this all down. First, we'll look at the incredible bull run and the engine that was secretly powering it. Then we'll get into why that engine is starting to sputter and what this new multipolar world really is. After that, we'll lay out a completely new investment playbook for this chaotic reality. And finally, we'll look at where you might actually want to place your bets. So let's dive right into our first section. What was the secret sauce, the hidden engine that powered all that wealth creation for the last quarter century? As you're about to see, it wasn't just about finding good companies. It was about the very foundation the entire global economy was built on.
So that crazy growth we just saw, it wasn't some random accident. It happened during a unique period of history called Pax Americana. Basically, the idea is pretty simple. For decades, the United States effectively acted as the world's policeman, which created a surprisingly stable and peaceful environment for global business to just flourish. And you could really feel this stability in very real ways. You had the US Navy protecting all the critical shipping lanes.
Watch the full video on my channel. This is just the beginning.